Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. So for today's video ay magluto tayo ng pan-fried chicken with basil leaves. So meron tayong chicken, may soy sauce, oyster sauce, black pepper powder, chili powder, grated garlic kung may powder kayo dyan pwede, and grated ginger, and then konting salt. So ayan, i-marinate natin, mix well, marinate natin at least 30 minutes. Ayan. Then while waiting the chicken, so linisan din natin yung basil leaves and wash and drain. So maraming benefits ng basil. So, dagdagan din natin ng 1 egg and cornstarch before fry. So, tansyahin nyo na lang guys yung cornstarch. So, ang inilagay ko dyan is 2 tablespoons and half. So, let's start to fry. So, i-fry natin yung chicken until golden brown. So, i-fry natin in low fire para hindi agad masunog. Ayan, tapos na natin yung isang load. So, i-fry natin lahat. So, ayan, i-fry din natin ulit and then saka natin i-garnish yung ating basil leaves. So, napakabango guys. Grabe. Perfect kasi nilagyan ko siya ng maraming garlic and maraming grated ginger kaya hindi siya malansa. So, ayan, napakabango. So, ganun lang kasimple guys. So, pwede nyong isave yung recipe. Try nyo, hindi siya malansa. Napakasarap. So, thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.